This is my 1980 16-foot Starcraft fiberglass canoe. There's a break in the weather, so I decided to put the new pontoons on it and try them out. I bolted the support arms onto the pontoons. The two 2x4s hold the support arms in place. I used drop pins to connect the support arms to the 2x4s to make the pontoons one unit. I used an electrical metal tubing bracket screwed into the bottom of the 2x4 supports to fasten the pontoons to the canoe's front and back thwarts. I put the steering apparatus onto the stern with 1/4-20 bolts and wing nuts. I mounted my 45-pound thrust trolling motor to the canoe and launched it into the Trent River for a test run. I stood up in the canoe and rocked it back and forth to see if it was as stable as the old pontoons, and everything is the same. Now it's time to take it out and see how the new pontoons track through the water. The shape of the new pontoons moved through the water much more smoothly than the old ones did. The GPS is tracking me at around 4.8 miles per hour at top speed. If I bring it down to about half speed, it gets somewhere around 3 miles an hour, so it's pretty good for a trolling motor. This video was taken about 3 years ago, and I didn't have the GPS back then to give me my speed. But I noticed the older pontoons sort of plowed through the water. They pushed up a lot more water than the new ones, the more streamlined canoe-shaped pontoons do. I don't think the speed was much different, but they did weigh a good 20 pounds more overall than the new ones, so I'm very happy with the way the new ones turned out. Look forward to using them this summer.